Hey there. Let us start the real work now. Now, we will set up the HR system for your company. It's one-time activity. First, before adding your team or employees, we need to add the departments and designation. Go to Side menu and choose HR. Then, click on Add Department on the right top corner. Add your department. And click Save. It's done. Now, let's add the designation. Click on Designation tab on the side menu. Then, click on Add Designation on the right top corner. Add your designations. And click Save. It's done. Now, let's add our team. Click on Employee List under HR tab in the side menu. Then, click on Add Employee on the right top corner. Add your employee information like employee ID, employee name, employee email. Employee will log in using this email, password, joining date, and others. Also, you can add skills for each employee. You can use it later in filtration process and assigning tasks. Select the designation and department. Also, you can new designation and new department from this page. Set the hourly rate, which will use an estimate project cost and expenses based on working hours and tasks. Choose if the employee can set his login time or it's automatically count time when he's logged in the app. Click Save, and it's done. After you adding the employer, you can select what his role in the app from this drop-down list, whatever he's admin, employer, or team leader based on the roles you added before from the Role Settings under Settings tab on the side menu. Also, you can check all the information like tasks done, hours logged, leaves taken, remaining leaves, activity, profile, projects, tasks, time logs. And you can upload documents, like his contract or papers. And you can download it or preview it anytime. Also, if you go back to Employee List, you will find Filtering part, where you can filter your employers by status, name, skills, role, designation, or by department. Thanks. See you in another tutorial video.